Unraveling Prepositions, a fun journey through English language. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English language prepositions. Prepositions are words that link and relate the elements of a sentence, helping us understand directions, locations, time, and more. By the end of this video, you'll be able to spot and correctly use simple prepositions like a pro. Simple prepositions are those little words that help us navigate relationships in our sentences. They include words like in, at, on, for, and by. Simple prepositions can be used in various ways, and getting a grasp on them can significantly improve your fluency in English. For instance, consider the sentence, "The book is on the table." Here, the preposition on shows the relationship of the book with the table. Now that we understand what simple prepositions are, let's practice identifying them in sentences. We've prepared some sentences, and your job is to spot the prepositions. 1. She went to the market. 2. He works for an international company. 3. They live in New York. 4. She's arriving on Friday. 5. I left my keys by the door. Each sentence above contains a simple preposition, in bold, which establishes a relationship or provides context about direction, place, time, or manner. Now, let's take it a step further. We're going to show you sentences where the preposition may not be correct. Your task is to identify the mistake and correct it. Ready? 1. I will meet you in 6 o'clock. 2. He is responsible to marketing. 3. She is scared from dogs. The correct sentences should be 1. I will meet you at 6 o'clock. 2. He is responsible for marketing. 3. She is scared of dogs. Notice the change in prepositions. Remember, prepositions are key in conveying the correct meaning, and using the wrong one can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. Great job! You're well on your way to mastering simple prepositions in English. Just remember, practice makes perfect. So keep revising these rules and applying them in your everyday conversations. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!